right in there. It looks so cute. You were in your pineapple stuff. Aloha Mai Kākou. Today it is Pūloku, which is Wednesday, and I think today is Iulai Balu, which is July 18th, and we are currently, well, I'm currently kind of like taking a little break. We've been cleaning all day, focusing on everything else but me. Basically unboxing a lot of our boxes and finally putting things like in its place. We brought up a bunch of boxes up here and we just had them here, and slowly like we're taking things out because we were so busy like doing out and about stuff. I really want to film a tour or like a house studio tour of our new place, so I'm finally like just want to get all these boxes out of here and unpack everything. Progress is going good. We have a bunch of containers though that have like paperwork, and we don't necessarily have like an office or office space currently, so I don't know what to do with that. I might just leave them in the boxes for now, but anywho, okay, so I'm gonna update you guys of what we're doing basically today. Today honestly was a huge fail. So the reason why I said it was a fail today is because ever since we got here, my plan was to make this huge announcement of where we are living. You already know where we live because I'm gonna upload that video before this video, or I uploaded that video before this video. But this guy gets the behind the scenes of what it was like to make this announcement of where we moved video. So I basically, what do I always say basically? By the way, my nose ring. When we got here, Darren, oh, it's still there. When we got here, Darren didn't bring the drone with us right away. So when we went to the beach and stuff, we didn't have the drone, and my whole picture in my mind was to, you probably already seen it, is to draw we moved in the sand and film that with the drone, take pictures with that with the drone, because I wanted to post it on my Instagram. A lot of my family and friends don't even know that we moved, and currently today it is July 18th, so we've been here for 10 whole days already on Oahu, living here, and no one knows because I did not make a moving announcement yet. Every day since we brought the drone home, because we picked up all of our stuff in the containers, it's not like the best weather. I wanted to do it at Kailua Beach when we went with Rose and we met up with her, but Pūloku didn't come with us because she wanted to hang out with her friend. It was really windy. We brought the drone with us, but it was really windy, and if you know anything about drones, it's kind of crazy or freaky to fly them when it's super windy. So that was like a couple days ago, and then yesterday we were supposed to do it, but we were so busy. We went to the school to register all 3 kids for school, and we had to go to the same school twice just for like reasons, and I have to go back again, and we had to do a lot more other errands just to square things away and get us all settled, because there was things that arose that was issues that we did not know, but we had to figure out things. So that's what was happening. We were just so busy yesterday, we forgot to go to the beach and drone what I wanted to drone. I already have vlogs that are done. I uploaded them. They're saved up on YouTube, but they're private, and I can't upload it because I say where we moved to. I say we moved to Oahu, and normally I would cut that out. That's what I was doing in all the other previous vlogs, but this particular time I talked about us moving to the island of Oahu. It was a longer story of what I was talking about, and if I were to cut part of it out, it wouldn't make sense, and if I were to just take that whole thing out, it would just be a chunk that is missing out from that vlog that I just wanted to keep in, and if I didn't, you know what I mean, it just needed all to stay in. I'm waiting for us to do this drone picture announcement thing so I can finally make the videos public and also upload the rest of the videos. And pretty soon I'm gonna start baking, because I pretty much unboxed all of our boxes, washed all of our dirty dishes, because you know when they're like in boxes and all that stuff, and we didn't wash everything when we packed them. So I basically did a lot of like washing clothes, dishes. Darren's been a huge help, but I've been usually the one here in the house unboxing everything and putting things in its place. And so I'm pretty much done with the house. I mean, we have a few things that are in the garage, but they're like not important things. We have things that we really need up here right now. Me and Darren want to do the pros and cons of living on Hawaii Island versus Oahu. I feel like we have a lot of experience because most of our lives we lived here on Oahu. We also lived in different areas on Oahu, so that gives like 2 different experiences from 2 different people. And also we both lived on the island of Hawaii for 4 years. Yeah, also I'm editing, like I said, just more vlogs. I'm just editing, but I'm not making them public yet until tomorrow, when we probably will do the whole drone thing. By the way, look at the cats. They meow to come in here and they're just like chilling.
7-Eleven.
Yeah, but we just get something. We're gonna get out of here fast.
Aloha Mai Kākou. Today it is Po'aha, which is Thursday, and it is Iulai Kumaiwa, which is July 19th, and we are again gonna go holo holo. We're gonna go out, we're gonna do something. We're going to the Kahakai, the beach. I noticed that I don't do my olelo Hawaii, like my Hawaiian word of the day. So la olelo today is Kahakai, which is beach, and we're going to, oh yeah, see, like it says Kalama. We're trying to figure out what side we want to go on because we went to Kailua the other day, and that was like the first time I went in a long time, because we normally go on the west side on this island because the beaches are a little less crowded over there. They're a lot less crowded actually over there. It's always sunny, the weather. Since we live on this side now, we went to Kailua Beach the other day and we met up with someone who actually lives around the area as well, and she's another Hawaii vlogger. If you've seen that video, I'll link it down below. Her name is Rose and their YouTube is called The Adventure ʻOhana. Yeah, we met up with her. But yeah, Kailua Beach, we didn't go there for like a while, like a good long time, and it was so crowded. It was super crowded. So we're gonna try to go on basically the same beach but more down where it's less touristy, less crowded, and we're gonna finally get the drone shot that we've been trying to achieve and all this stuff. Yesterday was really not good weather. It was rainy, and today is so beautiful and so sunny. Okay, so now we're waiting for parking. This side is a little less crowded, but it's still, Kailua is just a big touristy spot, and it's just highly populated. We're just waiting for a parking spot now, so hopefully you guys go swimming soon. Crazy.
No, there's something stuck over here. Oh my god.
This dude is taking so long. Oh my gosh. This person.
Oh, but oh, ba. Waiting for that stall.
We're waiting for that stall.
Sorry, I'm waiting for that stall. Oh, that's right. No, that's alright. Sorry.
Oops. What, Tita?
It's hot.
Yeah, of course it's hot. We're at the Kahakai. Vela Nui. Oh yeah, noho. Noho ma'o.
Come on.
We're in Palale.
Move more up. Ne'e. Hold on to the string.
Hold on to the string. Hold on to this. Hold on. Hold on to that. You're gonna fall off if you don't hold on. It's scary. Fine, can I pour?
are still swimming, and Polina was the one who wanted to go, and we have all of our stuff packed, all packed already, and they're still in the water. Are you gonna put the cart? Good luck. Okay.
I found the baby chickens in a nest.
Yeah. Oh, look at the baby chickens in the nest.
Mama, because I seen the mama chicken, and after that I start seeing a big hole, and I'm like, look at the baby chicken in the back.
You ever see a baby chick?
Okay, so we are finished at the beach. It's about
nice
2:54.
One of my, I guess, favorite east side. Or closest to our house beach.
Right? Yes.
Nice waves.
No, Paula wants to go back on the board again. We're gonna go home. Aww, you all win.
Look how Dad carry you. Hey, you can just sit in the cart. Here.
Oh yeah.
You sit in here, baby. Yeah. It'll be fun.
It's gonna be so fun. What?
You good?
Not fair. What? It's okay. I got my slipper, I can walk. This one has baby chicks. Oh yeah? The other mom.
Look at over there and over there.
There's a lot of baby chicks.
Me and Paulina found.
Pūloku has another loose too.
Look it. Look it. Mommy, I'm gonna. I can't zoom in. Oh, there. Another loose teeth. Oh. It's not in my seat, Mama. Where's my iPad, Mama? It's not. I know, I'm gonna go see. Oh! What? Look at. You film until your tooth comes out. That'll be so cool. I was just drinking the water, and after it just came like that. It's bleeding so much, Pūloku. Look at my finger. Okay, magic. Did it come out? It tastes so gross. My blood. Oh, can I see it? Just pull it. No. Why is it so zoomed in? We're just gonna wait for Pūloku to pull out his tooth. I can do that too. I'm not gonna make it. He's gonna pull it out super fast. Wait. Don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. Okay, he's gonna try to pull it out. It's not focused. Okay. Oh, it hurts. You pull it. No! Daddy, can you pull my teeth? Oh. Follow the camera then. Hold it. I don't want it though. I don't think it's ready though, because the other side has to get loose too. Only this side is. And only the back is loose. Yeah. Then let me push it back. And I need you.
What? I thought it was Kiki.
It's a Risha or Risha. Risha. Oh, let's see. Open. Oh, I think Kiki's last name is Risha. Palana. Put it out! Okay, just turn it off. It was earlier. Okay, now put it. It's not even focusing. Just put it! Never mind, it's that loose. All three tooth loose. Look it. It's this one above it, and this one all loose. There's so much loose tooth. Oh, it's gonna die.
Okie dokie, so we are home. But anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog today. I'm gonna end the vlog right now. Darren is like pooped out from working out last night and from the beach today because he's
I'm not
like,
gonna eat because my tooth.
Oh, and Pūloku has a loose tooth and they're eating dinner. ʻOhana went over to sleep over at her friend's house and she cut her arm today because she carried Puff and for some reason he freaked out and he scratched her and now she has scratches all over her arm.
And she has a little line and then she had a line and then after that it had dots in the middle of her nails.
Yeah, because he was like dragging his nails.
Yeah, and my tooth, the back is like broken and the other side is broken, but not like broken, it's like loose.
Yeah, loose.
I'm trying to get the front loose and this side loose.
Okay.
So I can take it out.
So we're gonna say goodnight. Weho, good night.
Kaulana nā pua o Hawai'i Upa ama o te o ka aina